Behold the majestic Bulgur Palace, perched atop Istanbul's legendary seventh hill, gazing over the city bustling heart for over a century. Today, it stands reborn not just as a historical landmark, but as a vibrant epicenter of culture and art, breathing a new life into the soul of the historical peninsula. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring a new spot in Istanbul. If you love traveling in Turkey, you are in for a treat. Join me as we discover the history and creativity of Bulgur Palace together. Alright guys, if you are wondering where Bulgur Palace is located, it's nestled right in the heart of Fatih, Istanbul. Now if you are coming from Eminönü, hop on the T1 tram and ride until you reach Fındıkzade station. From there it's just a short 10 minutes walk. And for those of you in Taksim, catch the M2 Hacı Osman metro and get off at Yenikapı station, the terminal station. Then it's another easy 10 minutes walk to this palace. So don't worry, I have got you covered. Check out the location in the description box. Entrance to Bulgur Palace is absolutely free. All you need to do is download the Senin Istanbul app from Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app and created an account with a Turkish number, simply search for Bulgur Palace within the app. Then, voila, your free ticket awaits you. It's that easy, right? Alright, here you need only show him the code QR that you have in your app. Now let me take you back in time to uncover the fascinating history behind Bulgur Palace. Designed by Mehmet Habib Bey, a prominent figure in the Ottoman Empire, along with the renowned Italian architect Giulio Mongeri. This architectural marvel was a testament to grandeur and vision. However, the completion of the construction faced a challenge due to the economic hardships. Sadly, after Mehmet Habib Bey intimately passing in 1926, the building transitioned into the hands of the Ottoman Bank to settle family debts. For years, it served various purposes, including lodging and archives, and eventually falling into abandonment. But the tale doesn't end there. In 2001, following the merger with Garanti Bank, Bulgur Palace found a new home under Garanti Bank ownership. Now let's enter to Bulgur Palace and discover the new spot of Istanbul. Up and on the first floor, Bulgur Palace boasts a library, a haven for students and book lovers alike. It's a quiet retreat where you can dive into your studies or get lost in the page of your favorite book. On the second floor, Bulgur Palace is hosting the Magnum in Istanbul exhibition by Magnum Photo, a famous photography group. This exhibition marks Magnum Photo's 77th anniversary and showcases over 200 photos by 70 artists. The opening reception of Bulgur Palace was held on Wednesday, February 28, with the participation of many names from the world of art, politics, business, and media. The palace, a precious piece of Istanbul history, was left neglected for years. However, in 2021, it was rescued by companies under EIMM through a special effort. now we head to the third floor in this palace. Let's discover together. Here also we can find some photo of artists. And the last floor is for the panorama view where you can see all of it. I remember this view, it's like in Galata. Now we return to the first floor where we can find a cafe, and also we need the Senin Istanbul app where you can take your code QR to enter this cafe, and it's for free. I think Bulgur Palace, which is one of the striking examples of the 20th century Istanbul civil architecture and has been decorating the historical peninsula next to Cerrahpaşa for more than 100 years, will be the new center of attraction of the city by carrying the vitality of culture and art. So guys, thank you for joining me on this beautiful day in Bulgur Palace. Hope you like this video. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more new spot and place in Turkey and Istanbul. See you next time. Bye bye.